Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I have some question that I want to know from you, and I want you to tell me on comment which question I am going to ask you. So my first question is that how long have you been learning English? Please tell me on comment because it is a very big problem nowadays. People have they often say that I have been learning English 1 year, 2 year, maybe more. Still they think that English is difficult. So here I will tell you why you get it is difficult because you work hard but you don't know the right direction, therefore you are unable to speak English. So if you have something like this, so please don't skip this video. I will show you some easy way to improve your English because here I will tell you about myself. When I was a beginner, I used to did this type of mistake. But every single day I practice in front of camera and I improve myself. And I know that sometimes you feel like maybe I will unable to learn English because it is a difficult people like me. Because maybe I am uh, too old and maybe what language I want to learn it is not made for people like us. So here I will tell you it is a useless things which you think always. You have to remove this type of thinking. You have to focus always on positive thing. Yeah, because when you think negative, you will feel everything difficult. That things you can do, that things will get difficult. You know. So don't think like this. Okay, you don't know about that one. Still, you have to say that okay, I don't know about it, but I will try to know. There is no work that I can't do it. Anybody can do every kind of work. But problem is here. Before try, you always give up. That's not good. That's not good for your dream. You know, because many people have this type of problem. They think negative. That is not good. They always focus on their reward. But what I am telling you, don't have to think about the reward that you get after complete work. Because English is a such language. You will unable to become fluent, you will unable to know everything about it one day. You will have to take a lot of time. After that you can become better speaker. So here I will tell you that you have to practice every single day, no matter what work you do, where do you live, it doesn't matter. But you have to make habit to speak every single day, like me, as I am speaking. Because I don't care that what people say and how much work I have, where I am, what I do. I have one things which I am telling you that things is practice because my dream is something magic which I will unable to tell you in front of camera. But one day I will share each and everything. That what is my dream. Because before success, if you share about your dream, maybe people will give you lot of different kind of opinion. Some people, some people opinion may be hurt you. Some people opinion may be despite you. So you don't have to share anything about your dream before success. You know, you have to hidden inside your heart before success. No? And after success, you have to announce that I did what I wanted to do. No? This is a very easy technique. And here I am just trying to speak. Sorry guys, today I don't have any kind of topic, and little bit I am little bit tired because I have been unable to take rest properly for 3 days. Therefore, I want to take rest, but I don't have time problem is here. Therefore, I am unable to speak English properly. No, so don't worry, and I will say you that if you want to improve your fluency, so you should speak like me. Sometimes you will get that it is difficult. Sometimes you will unable to think properly. Sometimes you will make mistake. That is okay. Don't worry. But here I will tell you should speak. You have to make a habit. Just try to speak like me. What will you think about me that I don't make mistake? If you care, listen the things carefully. I made a lot of mistake, but I don't care what mistake I do because mistake is not your enemy. Silent is your biggest enemy. Mistake is like a good teacher that taught me the right direction. You know, so you have to focus on your practice. That how I can practice and what type of video should I make, what type of person I want to become, and what should I do so that I can reach where I want to reach. Always remember one thing which I am telling you that everything always difficult when you don't know about that work. As soon as you know about that work look like easy. No? I hope you will surely do that because you are strong enough, you are brave enough, you have talent, but you don't know how to use it. Problem is here. The day you will know that how to use it, no one can stop you to succeed. Are you getting what I am telling you? Because most of the people have this type of problem, they can't give up because try. That is not good. They always focus their reward. That is not good. It is 100% good, which I am telling you. No, so you don't have to care about your reward. No, you have to promise to yourself that I will learn English. I will know strong until to improve my communication skill. And you have to prove that yes, I did what I wanted to do. You have to say one day, sorry guys, as you can see that I made some mistake. That's it. That is my and you don't have, listen. It is very important, which I am telling because I wanted to say these things last 3 days, but whenever I uh, was making video, that time I forget. But today I remember because people upon worry about public that what he will think about me. Maybe I some make mistake. So what he think about me? So tell me one thing about which you are thinking. That person will give you something for it. You say one day him that please give me something for eat because today I don't have anything. Instead of helping you, that person will laugh at you. They will say you that why you are uh, creating like a beggar. You have a smart body, you have a healthy body, so still you are not using instead of doing hard work, you are uh, begging, begging like a beggar. No? Bye guys.